Tejashree Patil, Principal and Founder of Gurukulam Global School. This school was established in the year 2017 with an objective to make CBSE education affordable for all. We started off as a preschool and now we are operating till 5th standard. We at Gurukulam Global School are working consistently to provide the best of academics to our students. We deeply care about the academic growth of each and every student, and the same amount of attention is also being paid towards their all-round development. The education system of our country is changing like never before since the inception of new education policy. We'll also be implementing the same in the best way possible. We'll be focusing more on the holistic and multidisciplinary education instead of rote learning. We'll also be using more of technology in the teaching process to make it more effective and accessible. As for this new generation of learners, visual mode of learning is proved to be more effective rather than the traditional chalk and board method. We are also happy to be associated with Eduvate. Our association with Eduvate gives us a strong hope to match pace with the evolving world. And yes, we are sure that Eduvate is definitely going to elevate the learning experience of our students. Thank you.
Myself is Yashashri Vishal Patil. I am work here as a teacher in Gurukulam Global School. As I have started from last year, I have seen here many activities is going in online session and everything is going online very properly. And nowadays we are associated with Eduvate association, in which we are going through all the activities and experiments are done by only kids. And last but not the least, that I am very grateful to work in this Gurukulam Global School, because all the work here are very leading as a teamwork. So thank you.
I, as a parent of Gurukulam Global School, my daughter Laisha Kothari is here since playgroup. It's been 4 years with the association at Gurukulam Global School, and I'm glad to say that it has a very unique way of teaching and the concepts they take it, which helps the student to understand it very easily. I would like to appreciate the efforts taken by the teachers. My best wishes for the future, and I would like to thank the entire team of the Gurukulam Global School. Thank you.